Hi, I'm Jason Burhill, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use drag and drop to work with a variety of different files in BricsCAD. I'm sure you all know how to open a drawing and work with other types of files with BricsCAD. However, you may not be aware that you can interact with BricsCAD simply by dragging and dropping files onto the drawing window. Let's try this with some drawing files. I'll drag them from Windows Explorer onto BricsCAD. When you drop the file onto the BricsCAD window, it will automatically identify the file and then act accordingly by running the most appropriate command. Okay, let's try again, this time with a DXF file. Again, BricsCAD identifies the file and automatically opens it for editing. For drawing in DXF files, you can change this default action by making a modification to your settings. From the menu bar, select Settings. Then start typing in the system variable drag open. The settings will automatically expand to this option on the tree. You can see that the default is set to open the drawing file. Let's change it to insert instead. So I've got a drawing file open, and I'll test my setting change by dragging and dropping this simple block onto it. And there it is. The file has been inserted as a block in the current drawing. I'll try that again, but this time I'll try my DXF file instead. Again, it's been inserted as a block. Now that's pretty handy if I work with DXF files a lot. So what are some other files that I can drag and drop? I'm going to try a script for setting dimension styles. But first I'll create some objects for the script to work with. I'll apply some linear dimensions to the simple block I brought in earlier. Clearly here my dimensions look a little bit big. Let me add a diameter dimension as well. Now that's not exactly a finished drawing, is it? So let me see if I can fix it by dragging my dimension script onto the drawing. That looks a lot better. Let's try a simple Lisp routine. This one toggles the drawing background from black to white. Dragging and dropping is a handy way to load and test new routines. How about we add some notes to this drawing? First I'll just zoom to the corner of my drawing. Now I'll drag and drop this simple text file. That looks good. BricsCAD has brought it in and placed it as mtext using my current settings. I'm going to try an XML table created using a spreadsheet application such as LibreCalc, OpenOffice or Microsoft Excel. That's great. BricsCAD recognises the format and automatically brought it in as a table object. Does it work for images? Well, let's just give it a go and find out. And yes, here's my image attached to the drawing. So BricsCAD will allow you to drag and drop files onto your drawing, and if it identifies the file, it runs the appropriate command to handle it. Finally, any file that BricsCAD doesn't identify will be simply brought in as an OLE object. So get out there and give drag and drop a try. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to check out the other great tutorials on BricsCAD TV.